Hello, Nick here from TechNuovo and welcome back to the channel. If you've been following our socials or watched a recent video, you will know Steph and myself are at this year's CES. We've just been wandering around the convention centre and stumbled across the guys at SJcam, and they have a very exciting new action cam to discuss. But before that, make sure you hit subscribe and that notification bell and give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. It's been a while since we've used or even looked at SJcam, but they've been working hard and on paper it appears to be paying off. Their latest additions to their action cam lineup is the SJ10 Pro Action and Max Action, and they could be real GoPro contenders. The new SJ10 Pro does not require a case. Yes, you heard me right. The case has gone and the camera housing is fully waterproof and pressure tested for water depths of up to 10 meters. The camera includes a Sony IMX377 sensor capable of recording up to 4K 60fps and taking still images up to 12 megapixels. There is also an 8x digital zoom and super smooth image stabilization. Now, how well that image stabilization will be is yet to be determined, but they will have a tough time ahead of them when compared to GoPro and the DJI Osmo Action. As you can see, at the rear of the camera is a 2.33 inch IPS touchscreen display which has an Ultra HD resolution. There is also a 13 mAh removable battery. It can connect to 2.4 and 5 GHz wireless networks and offers live mode as an option. Audio performance should be good as there are dual stereo microphones, plus you can plug an external microphone in too. But from what we know, this is currently limited to SJcam microphones only, which they are currently developing. From looking at the packaging, it would appear the cam will come with a few additional items, including frame, base and curve mounts, plus associated 3M stickers and a USB cable. Now, when we discussed price, we were told it was still to be confirmed, but it was going to be around the $249 mark. At this price point, it's really got to work hard to compete with GoPro and DJI. Will they do it? I'm not sure, but I'm optimistic and I look forward to trying it out. Release date is still to be confirmed, as they are still ironing out the price and promotion side of things, but it appears it will be available Q1 of this year. That's a wrap on this video. We hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and come back soon to see the full review.